Assalamu alaikum students. Hope everyone is fine. Everything is good. So let's get started with the questions on similarity and the congruency chapter. So let's start with one of the technical difficult questions, okay, which is of 4 marks. So let's talk about this question. Okay, everyone with me following? Guys, they are understanding? Is everyone
Yes,
there
sir.
following?
Yes.
Okay. So let's talk about this question on similarity. It's a very good question, very important to understand. So let's write down the year first. So this is topical past papers we are doing. So this one is from October, November 2021 and paper also 2021. Paper 2, variant 1. Okay. So this is from October, November 2021, paper 2, variant 1. A very good question we have, in which what we have to do, the diagram shows three shapes, okay, that are mathematically similar. The diagram is showing us three shapes, students, that are mathematically similar. Everyone getting it? So the diagram is showing us three shapes that are mathematically similar, and the heights of the shape are in the ratio small, medium is to large, 1 is to 5 is to 8. Okay, everyone getting this? I'll give you a couple of seconds to read the
Yes.
question and then I'll start solving this. Okay, understanding?
Yes, sir.
Guys, with me following?
Yes, sir. Follow.
Everyone can quickly read the question and then we'll talk about what we have to find and what we have to solve. Okay, everyone with me following, guys? Clear? Is everyone there, guys, with me following? Okay,
Yes, sir.
so it's a 4 mark question, and what we need to understand, sir, is basically, if you look at the diagram, we have to find, sir, the ratio. We have to find the ratio of the shaded area over the total unshaded area. Getting it, guys? We have to find the ratio of the shaded area divided by the total of the unshaded areas. Everyone getting that? Clear with me following, guys? Understood?
Yes, sir.
So what we need to understand is a bit technical. So we need to understand that first thing, these are similar. So what is the property? What is the formula for similar triangles and similar shapes? Okay, so it will be area. This is the formula for area, right? Area of the similar shapes are basically, you can do length 1 or height 1 over height 2 the whole square. Okay, so if basically if you have got the heights ratio, or if you have got the radius ratio, students, if you have got any ratios, length, any measurement ratio, okay, अगर आपके पास कोई भी measurement ratio available है तो आप area उसका find कर सकते हैं. Is everyone getting that? Clear with me following, guys?
Yes, sir.
Understanding? So the first step that we should have to make here, we need to understand small, medium, and large. What will be the areas of them? Okay. So the ratio is 1. The heights ratio is 1 is to 5 is to 8. So you can clearly say, sir, that it is very simple to get the area ratio. So area ratio will be 1 square is 1. Everyone getting it? 25 square is 25 and 8 square is 64. So these are their area ratios. Okay, everyone with me, guys, following? Clear on that? Understanding? It's very important. Is everyone getting it? I've just squared the ratios. The heights ratio were given to me. The first step is basically that the heights ratio were given to me. 1 is to 5 is to 8. So I use those ratios and get the area by doing square on them. So 1 square is 1, 5 square is 25, sir, and 8 square is 64. Okay, how many people got it, guys? Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Guys, understanding? Once you got this, now the next important thing is that you should ask the examiner what you need. You need shaded area divided by unshaded area ratio. Everyone getting it, sir? We need shaded area divided by the total unshaded area. Okay, total unshaded area. Is everyone with me following, guys? Is everyone getting that? We need shaded
Yes, sir.
area divided by the unshaded area. Okay, so follow the diagram carefully. If we talk about the numerator first, sir, let's only talk about the numerator first. So what is the numerator standing for, sir? The numerator will be shaded area, that is this color. Shaded part is this. So it's the medium one, right? Acha, first thing is, I hope this is
Yes.
clear to everyone that this is small, this is medium, and this is large, right? This is common sense, right? Everyone getting it? This must be clear, right? Small, the small, you can, let's call
Yes,
them
sir.
flags. Okay, these are flags of different countries and they are in the shape. जैसे कि we call it कि we can have juices in different similar shapes, right? A 200 ml juice, 400 ml juice, 600 ml juice, right? So let's say these are flags in different sizes. Okay, very small flag for the badge. You can say कि badge लगाने के लिए a flag that have to be present on the house. So these are different types of shapes of similar shapes of a one of the flags. Okay, small, medium, large quantity. Okay, everyone getting it? Guys with me? Can I get response? So what I'm saying
Yes,
is
sir.
that what we have to understand that this are the shaded part is the medium, shaded part is the medium flag or medium shape. The medium shape is there in the blue color. So what is the area of the medium shape? That is 25. Okay. The area of this medium shape is 25. But what we need to understand is very simple that, sir, the small is also coming in it. Everyone getting it? Small flag is coming inside the medium flag. So because this is the orange part is not shaded, so you want to your numerator will be 25 is the total area of the medium minus the 1 minus the small area minus the small area, 25 minus 1, that is going to be the shaded area. Guys getting it? Let me know how many got the numerator. It will be sir medium minus the small,
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि स्टूडेंट्स मीडियम जो है वो शेडेड है,
Okay.
लेकिन क्योंकि मीडियम शेडेड है लेकिन उसके अंदर सर स्मॉल भी आ रहा है, और स्मॉल चूंकि अनशेडेड है तो वो रिमूव करना पड़ेगा. That is why 25 minus 1 it should be this thing. Okay, let me know how many got it. Clear, guys? Understanding? Guys with me? Everyone following? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then what about the unshaded? Any questions, anyone? What about the unshaded area, sir? Unshaded area is the large one. So large is one is the unshaded area. But again, the same thing, sir. Large one is unshaded. But what's the problem with the large one? That's a large one encompass of medium and the small one as well. Okay. So what you will have to do, because you only need the unshaded part, so you will have to subtract 25, sir. That is from the large one, you are subtracting the medium one. Okay. From the large one, you are subtracting the medium one, because guys getting it, you are subtracting this part. Okay,
Yes,
medium
sir.
means you are subtracting the whole medium. Understand, guys? 64 minus 25 means, or let me explain you, let me explain. 64 minus 25 means only this part. Hope everyone is getting it. 64 minus 25 means only this part. Okay, this is unshaded, but sir, we have another part that is unshaded as well, which is the small one. Because we are subtracting medium, तो वो subtract हो रहा होगा already, and that is why you will have to add +1 in here, कि unshaded वाला जो है वो हम add कर लेंगे. Okay, understanding with me? Clear? Guys getting it? Let me know how many got this. Okay,
Yes, sir.
because at the end we
Yes, sir.
need shaded and unshaded, so that is the answer. 25 minus 1 is 24, and 64 minus 25 plus 1 will be, make sure use of calculator is allowed. So you got 40 there. So 24 divided by 40. Always remember, the examiner will tell you you have to give the answer in simplest form. So 24 divided by 40 is 3 over 5. Okay, so that is the answer. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, it's correct, students. So 3 ratio 5. Shaded part is 3. 5 is the unshaded part. Okay, everyone getting it with me, guys? Falling clear on that? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll give couple of seconds to everyone. Try to absorb this. Do take a screenshot of this as well. The reason why this is, these type of questions are coming only once a time. Okay, so this is a bit technical question. Okay, a lot of students must have make mistake in this because of the plus minus, due to the plus minus thing that is happening there, and because there are three shapes. Okay, there are three: small, medium, large shape. It's not difficult. It's just but thinking is required, thinking skills required here, and to understand the concept. Okay, anyone have any doubt? Let me know. I can explain again. Okay, we have started the difficult question, but the best thing is to do difficult questions. Okay, getting it, guys? Come on, quickly, anyone? I'm waiting for a couple of more seconds. Anyone have any doubt? Do ask. Okay, shaded part is basically medium minus small. Let me write it down as well. Shaded part is basically medium minus the small one, and unshaded part is basically large minus the medium. So the whole medium flag will got removed, the whole medium flag will remove, but because we have another shaded part of small, so it will be adding in that inside it. Okay, getting it, guys? Clear with me? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So I'm moving forward. Okay, everyone, I'm moving forward to next question then. So next question again we have from October, November, talks about the similarity concept. Okay, so let's talk about this. It is from October, November 2021 again, and we have paper 2, variant 2 question. Okay, so this is recent paper again, October, November 2021, paper 2 2. Okay, so I would suggest everyone to quickly read the question. It's only a 3-mark question. Just quickly read it. So we'll try to finish this as well. Okay. Getting it, guys, with me? Falling clear? Everyone read the question, right? So let's talk about it. It's basically, it can be of circle theorem as well, because all these topics are all these topics are linked together. Okay, so question number 14 talks about that PQR are the points on a circle. Okay, so we have students, sir, PQR or the points on a circle. So understand, how do you make sure once you read the information, try to see PQR are the points on a circle. Everyone with me, guys? PQR are the points on a circle, and ST is the tangent. ST is the tangent to the circle at R. Okay, so ST is basically tangent to the circle at R. We have to write down the value of X, giving a reason as well for the answer. So everyone must know here that what is X equals to. Understand, this is a common theorem. It's a circle theorem question. So this X will be equals to 55 students, because of the reason of alternate segment theorem. Everyone with me following? So X is equals to 55 degrees, sir, because of alternate segment theorem. Okay, understood? That's how you will get the 2 marks of this one. Is everyone clear? How do we, let me explain. How do you know that this is an alternate segment theorem, guys? Getting it? So just make sure understand, whenever the triangle is being formed inside, whenever the triangle is inside the circle, and 3 points are on the circumference, and you have a tangent line, okay, and you have a tangent line, the X will be this thing, okay, the X will be equals to 55 degrees because of the alternate segment theorem. Understood? Is everyone with me, guys? Following? Clear? Hello? Guys, got it? Any questions, any issues? Let me know. We can talk about it. Anyone?
Yes, sir. Got
Then they
it.
are saying that we have another tangent. Then they are telling us that another tangent from the point S, the tangent from the point S touches the circle at V. Okay, so there is another tangent from the point S. So this is the point S. Another tangent from the point S touches the circle at V. It give a geometrical reason why triangle SVR will be isosceles. Okay, everyone getting it? So let's try to make that. What they are saying, that there is another tangent being formed which is touching the circle at V from the point S. So let's say this can be like this. Everyone getting it with me? Following? It's just that the point S is being lying on it. Is everyone getting it? The point S will be lying on it, and it's making a tangent here as well. Okay, is everyone getting that, guys? So they are saying that triangle SVR. So this is the point V. Okay, so triangle SVR is isosceles. You have to explain why and how is it possible that triangle SVR is isosceles. Everyone getting with me? Following, guys? Hello? Understanding? Is everyone getting it, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what you need to understand, okay, why it will be an isosceles triangle, because you need to understand that it is like this thing. Okay, even if I've drawn it wrong, you must understand that what they are saying is basically both of them will have the same tangents from the circle, will have the same distance. Okay, getting it, guys? This is S, this is R, and V will be somewhat like this. So that's why you need to understand that these two measurements now will be equals to, they will be same, because tangents from the circle they are always equal. Okay, getting it, guys? Clear? Following?
Yes, sir.
So the reason
Yes,
will
sir.
be, follow carefully, that you have to write that. You can write this thing first, that first line should be KSV. Is everyone with me? We are learning today how to write down the answers, like how to write down the explanation of these questions.
मैं
Okay,
कर
so
लेती ना,
SV,
पता नहीं तो क्यों बीच में आ गए.
hello, you are muted.
Hey.
SV is equal, hello, you are muted. You need to mute yourself there. Someone is unmuted. Okay, everyone with me? Following? Please make sure. Okay, so we got SV is equals to SR. Okay, so you can write down that SV is equals to SR, which means they have the same length. And then you can write down that, sir, the tangents are of the same length from an external point. Okay, tangents are equal in length, or tangents are equal in length from external points. Okay, because this is external point, this will be also external point, or this is the external point, right? So tangents are equal in length from the external points. Okay, is everyone getting it? Following, guys?
Yes, sir.
From external points. Okay, so this one question is also done. Let me know, guys. We have got 3 marks here. Okay, anyone, any doubts? Let me know. do take a screenshot for October, November 2021, paper 2, variant 2. Let me know anyone have doubts, any questions, so we can talk about it. Guys, got this clear? Falling understood?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay, so moving forward now, let's talk about one of the paper 41, paper 4 questions, okay? Paper 4 questions, let's talk about them. So we have from a very good recent, not recent, but of summer, May, June 2021, we have, guys, okay? Is everyone there with me following, guys? So let's talk about this one,
Yes, sir.
in which we are saying that this is May, June 2021 and paper 4, variant 1, okay? Everyone with me following, guys? Clear? Is
Yes,
everyone
sir.
getting
Yes.
that? Understood? Any questions? So we need to be careful here. We have to find May, June 2021, paper 4, variant 1. Okay, so 2021 is the paper. You can write it down. And we are solving a paper 4 question which is related to geometry. It will have concepts of congruency, similarity as well, and also talk about it's talking about polygons as well. Okay, so let's talk about this quickly. What we have, sir, is basically we have to find the size of an exterior angle of a regular polygon with 18 sides. So it's not a big issue. Just have to find the size of the exterior angle. So always remember, if you have a regular polygon, exterior angle is equals to 360 divided by that n. Okay, is everyone getting it? Following? So
Yes,
360
sir.
divided by n is equals to exterior angle. Is everyone with me following, guys? Understood? So here we go. It will be simple,
Yes.
sir. 360 divided by number of sides, 18. So we will get 18 2 is 20, I think, right? So it will be 20 degrees is the angle of each exterior angle, okay? 20 degrees is the angle size, okay? People got it? That's the formula for finding out the exterior angle of a regular polygon. How many people got this? Understood? Sure. Everyone understood, guys? Got
Yes,
it?
sir.
So we got this answer. This is not the main reason why we are doing the question. Part B is it? Because this is one of the common questions that is being tested in the similarity concept. We have to calculate, students, the length of BE. Okay, everyone with me? Guys following? Sir, we have to calculate the length of BE for 2 marks. And now let's read the question, what they are giving the information. So they are telling us that in triangle ACD, sir, in triangle ACD. So in triangle ACD, B lies on AC, B is lying on the line of AC in triangle ACD, and E is lying on the AD, okay, such that they are parallel to CD, okay, such that everyone getting it. So these are parallel. Is everyone with me following, guys? So these are parallel lines, okay. These are parallel lines. They have given some measurements that AE is 5.2, ED is 2.6, and CD is also given 6.75. Just have to apply the proportion ratio, the similarity formula, and you can get it, okay? So I'll give a couple of minutes to everyone to think about it. Let's have 30, 40 seconds. Everyone think about it. How will you find BE? And then I will solve, okay? Okay. Let's continue. Okay, so we have to find the length of BE, students. Everyone with me following, guys? So we have to get the length of BE. So understand that you have to make the similar concept. That triangle, is everyone there following, guys? That triangle ABE is similar to triangle ACD. Okay, understanding? So that is how you need to understand that triangle ABE is similar to the bigger triangle, that is triangle ACD. Okay, understanding, guys? That's how it works. Okay, everyone with me following? Any question, guys? So
Yes, sir.
when we say that they are similar, understand that the measurement will come on the measurement. So it will be AB will come on AC. Okay, AB ratio AC. So AB divided by AC will be equals to, they will have the same ratio as BE divided by CD, and it will have the same ratio as AE divided by AD. How I'm writing this down? It's very simple. Follow in the highlighter. That's AB is equals to AC, getting it? Then CD equals to BE, and then it is basically AE to AD. Okay, getting it, guys? Clear? Following everyone? Understood? Guys, got it? So that's how
Yes, sir.
you will get the measurement. So we have to find BE, right? So BE, this will definitely come. So it will be simple, sir, that BE over CD. Do you have the measurement of CD? Yes, sir. We already have the measurement of CD, that is 6.75. So here we go. BE is equals to divided by 6.75. What about AE, sir? Yes, sir. We have AE as well. That is 5.2. Do we have AD? We don't have AD, right, guys? Getting it clear? There is no need for this thing. Okay,
Yes.
so you can skip this one. You can skip this one. We don't have AD. We will have to find AD. So AD is very simple, guys. You have AE here and you have ED here. Okay, getting that? AE and ED will add up. So you will get AD. Everyone getting that? Clear with me? Following? So it will be, sir, simple. How many people got it? 5.2 plus 2.6 will be AD. That now you can find out the BE measurement. Everyone got this, guys? Clear? So it will be 6.75 times of 5.2 divided by this thing, that is 5.2 plus 2.6. What is 5.2 plus 2.6? 7.8. Okay. Anyone who have any doubts, let me know. Any questions so we can talk about it. 6.75 plus 5 times of 5.2 divided by 7.8. So we are getting 4.5. Okay, students. It is coming 4.5 centimeter. See how many got this, guys? Clear? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Any questions? Anyone, any doubts? Let me know.
No,
So we're
sir.
getting 4.5, which will give us full marks, which is correct as well. Okay, understood? Got that, guys? Clear? Anyone with any doubts, any questions, let me know. We can talk about it, guys. 11A and 11 part B are done. So let me know any problem is there. Got it, guys? Sure. Any questions, any concerns? A and B are done. Then we have part C, which talks about for 3 marks. Any questions in part A and B? Anyone want to ask? Okay. Next, we have two solids are mathematically similar. Okay. So we have two solids which are mathematically similar. Two solids are mathematically similar. Again, a similarity question. We have to calculate the height of the larger solid. Okay. We have to calculate the height of the larger solid, and the larger solid has volume this, and the smaller solid has height 2 and volume 32. Okay. So we need to be careful when we are solving this. So it will be volume of the smaller solid. Okay. So volume of the smaller solid divided by the volume of the larger solid is equals to, remember the formula and concept when we are talking about volume, it is basically height of the smaller divided by height of the larger to the power of cube. So in volume, we have to do the cube of the heights to get the volumes ratio. Okay. Is everyone getting it? I'll repeat. This is the formula
Yes,
for
sir.
applying the volume of the similar shapes. Okay. It's basically cube of the heights. Okay. Getting it, guys? Clear? Following everyone? So just have to do the same thing. Make sure if you are putting smaller in the numerator, if you are putting the volume of smaller in the numerator, you have to put the height, width, or length, or radius, whatever it is given. Whatever measurement is given, length, radius, height, you have to put that of the smaller in the numerator, and respectively, you have to put volume of the larger solid in the denominator. So height of the larger solid will also be in the denominator. Got it, guys? Clear? So do we have the volume of solid? Yes, we have the volume of the smaller solid divided by we have the volume of the larger solid, sir. Do we have the height of the smaller solid? Yes, we have the height of the smaller solid as 2, but we don't have the height of the larger solid that we have to find. That's it. Just start solving and try to get the answer. Everyone getting it, guys? Clear? With me following?
Yes,
Understood?
sir.
Any questions, anyone? Guys, clear on this? Any problem? So what will happen? It will be 32 divided by 780. is equals to 2 power of cube is 8, and you have height power of cube. So height of the larger will be 8 times of 780 divided by 32. Height of the cube will be 8 times of 780 is what? 8 times of 780 divided by 32. So I'm getting 195, I think. And cube root of 195 will be, sir, h is equals to height of the larger solid is equals to cube root of 195, which is something 5.798 something. So you can write it out one decimal place. 5.8 centimeter is the answer for the height of the larger solid. Getting it, guys? How many people got this clear? Understood? Any questions? People got it? Part C is done as well, guys. Let me know any problems in this, any questions, so we can talk about. Guys, clear? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, we have part D, which talks about that for 4 marks, okay? We have part D, which is for 4 marks. Follow carefully. It is about the congruency chapter, okay? It's written here. Explain, giving the reasons why triangle PQN is congruent to triangle SRN, okay? So we have to explain, giving reasons why this triangle PQN is similar congruent to triangle SRN. So let's try to work this out as well. First, let's understand what is happening. So we have triangle PQN, guys. Okay, this is the red color. Triangle PQN. Everyone getting that? And triangle SRN is basically in the triangle SRN is basically what? This is the purple triangle SRN. They both are congruent. They are telling me, guys, getting it clear? Following? Hello? Guys, understanding? Is everyone getting that, guys? Clear? Hello? And then they are telling us as well that PQ is parallel to RS. Okay. So we have PQ which is parallel to RS. Okay. So PQ is parallel to RS and PNS is a straight line and N is the midpoint of RQ. So N is the, guys, very important. So N is the midpoint of RQ. Is everyone getting it, guys? N is the midpoint of RQ. Is everyone with me following, guys? N is the midpoint of RQ. Is everyone getting? This is the N is the midpoint for this line. It's a straight line as well, PNS, and then they are parallel as well. How many people got the question, guys? Come on, quickly, anyone? Everyone getting it? Following with me? So
Yes, sir.
we have to prove it congruency, okay? So let me explain you how you're going to do for 4 marks and with which method. There are a couple of congruency methods, okay? So first thing should be clear that, sir, we can clearly say that this angle, let's say x angle is equals to this angle. Why? Because of alternate. Whenever we have parallel lines, if they are making a z, that means it's alternate angles. Getting it, guys? Everyone with me following? Understanding? Hello? Is everyone getting it, guys? Following?
Yes, sir.
Any question?
Yes.
Similarly, is everyone with me following that, right? Okay. Is everyone getting that? Clear? Any problem, any questions? Let me know. Okay. So follow carefully. What will be my measurement? So I will say that, sir, QN is equals to QR because it is N is the midpoint. N is equals to midpoint. N is equals to midpoint. So Qn will be equal to QR. Sorry, Qn will be equal to NR. My bad. Okay. Guys, everyone getting it? First will be simple. Qn will be equals to NR. Is everyone getting it? Because N is equals to the midpoint. Okay. You can explain like this. N is equals to midpoint.
Yes.
4 marks means 4 things. Okay. 4 proper things. Qn is equals to NR. Next thing, sir. Angle PQR. Angle PQR is equals to angle SRN, SRQ, angle SRQ to angle PQR because of alternate angles, okay? These are called alternate angles, okay? So this is one of the angles, that is angle P. This one, guys, everyone with me following? This black angle with this angle will be same, okay? People got it, guys? Clear with me following? And then you can also say, guys, follow because it's a straight line. It's a bit messed up now. Follow very carefully. This line and this line, they are intersecting vertically opposite angles. So this angle will be same as well. Everyone getting it, guys? This angle will be same as well. People got this? Any questions? Let me know. So you will write down that angle PNQ. So angle PNQ is equals to SNR, and the reason is vertically opposite angles. Okay, these are vertically opposite angles. Guys, got it? Everyone clear? These are called vertically opposite angles. Okay, is everyone clear with me? Following? Guys, following? Vertically opposite. You can also mention this is also forming a Z. Guys, follow in the black line now. This is also follow in the black line. This is also forming a Z. So the black line. So angle P also, because we are just learning here, so I'll write down everything. Angle P will be equals to angle S as well. Again, alternate angles. Okay. Is everyone getting it? Make sure don't write alternate segment theorem. Okay. You will lose mark. Okay. Not, this is not circle theorem. Okay. So alternate angles you can write down and make sure one line is left. So you need to name what you are using. Okay. So you are doing which property? You have taken one angle, second angle, and one side. So it will be angle, side, angle property. Okay. Everyone getting it? Angle. Therefore, this is angle, side, angle property to prove it as congruent. Okay. Therefore, P, make sure write it like this. Therefore triangle PQN is congruent. Congruent के लिए आप तीन equals to sign put करेंगे. Therefore triangle PQN is congruent to triangle SRN. How many people got it? And make sure one mark is for this. That is angle side, angle side. We have proved it through angle, angle side, or angle side, angle side. Getting it, guys? Clear? Is everyone got this?
Yes, sir.
Guys, do make sure, revise, repeat,
Sir,
and go on.
can we say that distance of PQ is equal to distance of RS?
Yep. You can write that as well. Okay. You can write it that. But how will you back it up? How will you back it up? Why you are saying that? How will you back it up? What's the reason behind it that PQ will be equals to SR? Are you getting it? So
Yes.
you can write it down, but you cannot back it up. So you have to only write those points which you can easily back it up. For example, I'll explain you why I said that because I already know that this angle will be equals to this angle as they are forming Z due to parallel lines. So I told them now I have the leverage here that I can write alternate angles. That's my reason, right? Getting it? Secondly, they have already told us that N is the midpoint. So that clearly states that I can write it down because N is the midpoint. They both will be same, right? Q and N are getting it. Understanding. And the third concept, because I already know when the lines are meeting like a butterfly or a cross, these are vertically opposite angles, right? So that's why I can say that because they are vertically opposite angles, so those angles will be equal as well. Understanding? This angle, angle A is
Yes.
angle A, angle B is angle B. That's how it goes, okay? They have mentioned a PNS is a straight line, so that's how. If you can back up, if you can give an explanation, then you can all 100% do it, okay, dear? Understood? Everyone got this, guys? Clear with me? Following? Any question, anyone?
Yes.
ठीक है. So let's move forward. This was May, June. Sorry. This was not this one. This one was May, June 2021, paper 4, variant 1. Okay, everyone getting it, guys? Clear? Following? Any questions? ठीक है. Let's do another question. I think I have question number 17 here as well, which also talks about congruency. Okay, so let's talk about this one. Okay, it's a 3 mark. That's why I said that it's better to understand this. My chapter is definitely coming for less marks, but definitely they will test something related to it. Everyone getting it? Clear with me, guys? Following? Understood? Guys, how many got it? Clear with me? Following? Come on, quickly read this question. So we'll do this one as well. Okay. Is everyone getting it? Clear? Following?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we have question number 17, which talks about in the triangle ABC. Guys, is everyone with me following, right? Any problem, any doubts we can talk about? Come on, quickly let me know. So in triangle ABC, so this is a triangle ABC, guys, okay? We have our triangle ABC in which AC is equals to AB, very simple, okay? And then you have 90-degree as well, which means both of them are hypotenuse. AD is perpendicular. It's a very easy question, okay? And it's one of the very easy congruency to prove, okay? Always remember whenever you have a right angle triangle, na, it's basically RHS, okay, right hand side triangle proved, okay. RHS is basically the congruency criteria, okay. Everyone with me, guys, following? Clear on that?
Yes, sir.
So you
Yeah.
have to complete the following statements to show that triangle ACD is congruent to triangle ABD. ACD is congruent to ABD. So it's very simple. And in this case, they have already, that's the good thing, they have already written AD is perpendicular to BCY. AD is perpendicular to BC. If AD is perpendicular, so that angle this is equals to this is equals to, very simple, sir. So that angle ADC, guys, getting it, is equals to
Yes.
angle
ADC
ADC is
is
equals
equals
to
to
angle
ADB,
ADB is
which is
equals
90
to
degrees.
90 degrees. Okay, everyone getting it?
Yes.
Guys, following? ADC is equals to ADB, 90 degree. Given that AC is equals to AB is given information, dash side dash is common to both triangles. Which side is common to both triangles? Side AD is common to both triangles. तो बहुत ही simple हो गया, guys. Is everyone getting it? What they have done is, the best part is that you don't have to write anything now. Just fill in the blanks there, getting it to get the 3 marks. So I hope that it
Yes.
comes easy this time as well, okay? Because you see, this is a different type of question, okay? If we compare, because as I said, I always solve it together with you, okay? I haven't solved this question before. If I have solved, then it's already recorded, okay? So what I mean is that if there were lines given here, we have to write it, okay? So there are more chances of mistake here, okay? But because it's already written here, everything, and what just you have to do, just have to complete it, put the right one, okay? Put the right thing there. You have to put the right thing here. And the best part is that make sure not to get this wrong, because it's very easy marks. Okay, this is, we call it easy marks. So we got side AD is common to both triangles, and triangle ACD is congruent to triangle ABD because of the congruency. But just make sure you know this, that this is RHS, right hand side angle, right angle triangle, which is making a congruent. Okay, guys, understood everyone? But the problem is again that this is very rarely coming. Okay, this one is not coming more much. Okay, getting it, guys? Clear, everyone? Following, guys? Move forward, right? Any
Yes,
questions,
sir.
anyone? Let me know. Any problems? So this one is also done. Next, we talk about, let's say that we have this one. So we have question number 18 and 19. Did we mention the paper here? I don't think we didn't mention. So let me mention the paper here. This is from a recent paper, that is May, June 2022, and paper 2, variant 3. Okay, so this one is more recent and more important. So May, June 2022, paper 2, 3, they have tested this type of question. Guys, everyone got this clear? Following, any questions, any problem, anyone? The next one also is basically from May, June 2022, from the paper of paper 21. Okay, paper 2, variant 1. Understanding, guys? Is everyone following? Hello. So this is basically May, June 2022, paper 2, variant 1. Is everyone getting it, guys? Let's do both of them, 18 and 19. So we cover circle theorems as well, and then we have similarity or congruency below as well. Okay, guys? Everyone getting it? Hello, everyone with me? So I'll give couple of seconds to everyone think about it. We have to solve this May, June 2022, paper 2, variant 1 question. Okay? Is everyone there with me? Following that, guys, or not? Usually the similarity and congruency, we can say, is being tested. Okay, usually similarity and congruency is being tested in which paper 2 is, they are testing it more. Okay, everyone getting it, guys? Clear with me? Following? Hello, understood, guys? They are testing this
Yes, sir.
more in this thing. Okay, everyone got it? So let's talk about circle theorems question, sir. Question number 18. A, B, C, and D are the points on a circle. So, sir, we have some A, B, C, and D are the points on circle. This is a tangent to the circle at D, which is DA is parallel to CB. Find the value of X and the value of Y. So we have to find the value of X and we have to find the value of Y. So think about it and let me know what will be the values, guys. What will be the value of X? Again and again, they are testing the same concept again and again. It's very simple. Just remember this concept, guys. A new alternate segment theorem saying, if you have a triangle which is touching on the, getting it? If you have a triangle which is touching on the circumference, okay? All 3 points are touching at the circumference, guys, getting it? And there is a tangent being made. So understand that that angle will be equals to that angle, okay? So here we go. It will be simple, sir, here as well. The good thing is you don't have to write the reason here, that this 38 degrees will be equals to X is equals to 38 degrees. Is everyone getting that? Clear with me? Following? Hello? Guys, got it? Any questions, anyone? Guys, everyone
No,
following?
sir.
So x will be equals to 38, and you can write it down that x is equal, just for safety purpose, that you want to make sure that examiner gives you full marks. So that is alternate segment theorem, that you can write it here, guys. Everyone got it? Following? And just now, whatever concepts we have studied, they are being tested again. Okay, how will you find y? Follow very carefully. This is all about thinking, learning, perspectives. Sir, again, these are parallel lines. We can see parallel lines. So this is basically forming a Z here, okay? But make sure this is you have to show working. So this will be, sir, angle C will be equals to x. Angle C will be equals to x degrees, which is angle A as well. So that is basically 38 degrees because of alternate angles, okay? Getting it, guys? Make sure alternate segment theorem and alternate angles are different thing. Is everyone with me following that? Okay, so this is 38, sir. Is everyone getting it, guys? Following? Hello, understanding? Next thing,
Yes.
sir, sure, this is all about practice only. I can only solve because I'm doing it again and again, time and time again. You just have to do practice, so you will get as well. So it's very simple, sir. That will be 180 minus the angle B will be 180 minus 60. That is 120 degrees. And I'll write down the reason as well. Cyclic quadrilateral. This is another concept of what? The circle theorems chapter, sir. If this is 60 degree, this will be 120 degrees. Okay, understood, guys? Got it? Clear with me? Because all the points follow in the black color, sir. All the points are matching the circumference. Getting it, guys? Okay. So you can easily find out why by doing the triangle thing now. That y is equals to, let's do it here. Y is equals to 180 minus 120 minus 38. Okay. So 60 minus 38 will be 22 degrees. Degrees. It is correct. Am I right? Am I right? Got it, guys? Clear? Understood? Everyone got it? Any questions? Any problems? Let me know. Hello. Guys, got it? Understood? Hello, guys. Got it? Clear? Everyone? Understood with me following?
Yes.
Okay. Any questions, anyone? This is May, June 2022, paper 2, the variant 1. So that is very important. Then next we have question number 19, which basically is of 4 marks again. And the good thing again as well, they have mentioned the things now, so just have to do it. In the diagram, AB is parallel. I think it's exactly the same question that we have done just now. AB is parallel. And then you have AQ and PB intersects. AQ with AX is equals to X. Telling, so someone was asking about this thing, like, can you mention, look, whatever is given, then you can mention, okay, understanding now this is written clearly that this AX is equals to XQ, which means X is the midpoint, okay? So we have to complete the following statements. And again, you can say that the angles will be same, sir. So angle BAX, so this angle BAX, they are saying, guys, follow carefully in the highlighter. Sir, angle BAX is similar to angle this one, right? Everyone with me following, guys? Clear? So it will be angle BAX will be equals to PQX. Okay, everyone getting it? It will be equals to angle PQX because of alternate angles. Is everyone getting that, guys? Clear? Following with me? Is everyone fine getting that? Clear? Understood? And then angle AXB is equals to angle PXBY, sir, PXQ, Y, students, because of these are vertically opposite angles. Getting it, guys? Everyone following? This angle is equals to this angle because of vertically opposite. Is everyone getting it, guys? Again, exactly similar type of question. So redoing the same question, okay? Just like in the previous year, they have tested this again in the 2022 as well. Vertically opposite angles. So they are telling us, asking us, triangle ABX is congruent. Triangle ABX is triangle to PQX because of the congruency criteria. Which one is it? Two angles are same, one side is same. So you can say angle, side, angle, side. Guys, getting it? Everyone with me following? You can write down angle, side, angle. That two angles are same, sir. This angle and this angle are same. These two angles are same and one side is same. Let me measure the side for my students. This is the side, guys, okay? Side, matlab length. And then PX is equals to, what will happen? PX will be equals to which thing? So now you can assume, right? Now you can assume because you've already proved it. Now you can say that PX which is this thing, okay, px is equals to xb or bx because the triangles are congruent, okay. What is the property of congruent? All lengths are same, all angles are same, okay. Must know that, okay, guys. Everyone getting it? Following? xb
Yes, sir.
or
Yes, sir.
px is equal to or bx लिख सकते हैं, write it down. All lengths are same in congruency, all angles are same in congruency, okay. All lengths and all angles will be same in the congruency, okay. Guys, got it clear with me? Following? Any questions, any problem? Is everyone clear? Understood that, guys? Following? Hello, guys, got it? 18 and 19 done. Everyone understood this? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any questions? Let me know. Okay. So we'll keep it till here for today. I hope everyone got this, understood, and we'll continue in the next session. Okay, guys. Thank you. Make sure revise and practice as much as possible. Okay. Thank you.